In this video, we will continue with the exercise 4b of linear inequations and we will learn about number line. So, number line is a line on which we represent real numbers. See, real numbers can be any number, integer is also a real number, 0, all the whole numbers, they are also real numbers, all the natural numbers also real numbers. Any number, whether it is integer, whole number, natural number, rational number, any number. So, all the numbers are real numbers. So, those real numbers, they can be represented on number lines. So, how do we draw number line? Center of the number line is 0. On one side of the number line, positive integers are there, and on other side of the number line, negative integers are there. So, here positive integers on right side and left side negative integer. Only this much we have to write while drawing a number line. See, if one positive integer is there, so at equal distance from 0, see distance should be same negative integer is there. This one is positive, at equal distance is the same negative, like plus 1 minus 1. Here it is at this distance plus 2, at same distance on other side it will be minus 2. So, these are like mirror images, we can say, plus 1 minus 1. So, in that depth we will not go, you just have to remember like number line we draw this way. Now, here how to represent inequalities. See, inequalities we have seen, it is not the exact numbers, it may be less than equals to or more than equals to or more than less than. So, if I have this, in previous exercise also we have done question number 11th and 12th when two signs of inequalities were there and one solution set we were getting. So, this type of expression was there. If you haven't seen that video, I have shared the link in the description, you can check out the video of the previous exercise also. See, if I have something like this, that x lies between minus 1 to 5. X is greater than equals to minus 1 and it is less than 5. So, how to draw this on number line, and provided it belongs to real numbers. If it belongs to real numbers, then how to draw this number line? I will take negative values minus 1, here minus 1, here this greater than sign is also there and this equality sign is also there. So, how to draw this point? On minus 1, I will just draw one dark circle or dark dot. When this sign of equality is also there, this dark dot we have to draw on that point. Now, other point is 5. So, this is 5, but only less than sign is there, equality is not there. So, only this sign, for this sign we will draw one small circle and we will join these 2 points. When x belongs to real numbers and this is the range, this is the value of x minus 1 to 5, minus 1 it is less than equals to x. So, for less than or equal to, greater than equals to also, that means if when this equality sign is there along with this, then we have to represent it by a dark dot, and when only the sign may be less than or greater than, then this circle we have to draw. And this was for real numbers, because in real numbers all the numbers are included, decimal numbers, fractional numbers, everything. Now, if same thing I have to draw for natural numbers, let us say natural numbers. For natural numbers, what will be the values? The values of the x, if x is between minus 1 to 5, then the values will be 1, 2, 3, 4, because here with 5 only less than sign is there. So, that means the values of x is they are less than 5. So, less than 5, all the natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. So, these are the values of x. So, how to draw these points on number line? 0, 1, 2, 3. So, same way I have to draw number line. Only this 4 points are there. So, directly I can mark dark dots. So if I have to mark, see the solution is same, but the replacement set is different. Here replacement set is of real numbers, so number line is this. Here replacement set is of natural numbers, so number line is this. If I say replacement set is of whole numbers, then the number line will be from whole numbers. 0 will also be included. 1, 2, 3, 4. So from 0 we have to start. So this is how we have to draw a number line. When the replacement set is of integers. So for integers I can take from -1 itself. For integers this is the solution: 0, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in that case on my number line I have to mark all the points in dark dots. -1 also, 0 also, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So when we have exact values, I mean to say, like here in case of whole numbers, natural numbers, integers, I have exact values within this range. So I can directly mark those points by dark dots. But during real numbers, see, real number includes all the points. So here also some decimal values, fractional values, everything. So in case of real numbers, we just have to draw a line. If sign of equality is there, then dark dot. If it is not there, then small circle like this. Now let us start with the questions of exercise. So in the first question, we have to represent this on real number line. So real number lines means nothing is written. So replacement set is of real numbers, because it's not mentioned it's whole numbers or integers. So we have to represent inequalities on real number line. So that means x belongs to real numbers. See, solution of x we have to find the same way like we were doing in the previous exercise. After finding the value of x, only then we can represent it on a number line. So 2x minus 1. So minus 1 I will shift to other side because we have to find the value of x. So minus 1, on changing the side, it will be changed to plus 1. So 2x less than 5 plus 1, 6. With 2 I can divide both the sides without any change here, because with x is getting multiplied by 2, so we have to cancel this term. We need only x. So with same term we can divide both the sides. See, whenever you are making any change in an inequation, make sure that change should be on both the sides. So both the sides I have to divide, not one single sides. Here 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Here 2 into 1 and 2 into 3. So I got the value of x less than 3. So this value I have to represent on number line. I will draw number line first. See, number line same way, center is 0, on right side positive integers, on left side negative integers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 up to so on. So only this much we can write. So our solution is, the value of x is x less than 3. Less than 3 means all the values which are smaller than 3, and those values they include the negative values also. So we have to go this side, on the negative side. This thing you always have to understand. When the values are less than of any number, then we have to go right side, this side. When the values are greater side, sorry, on the left side we have to go, and when the values are greater, then we have to go on the other side, which is right side, and that is the positive side. So accordingly now we have to go this side. So what we do, first of all we have to see the sign of inequality. This is only less than, no equality sign is there. That means on 3 I have to put small circle. I told you, if only this one sign is there without the sign of this equality, then small circle we have to draw. So that's what I have drawn. So from here I have to start all the values less than till infinity or up to so on. Like this we can represent it on the number line. In second part it's given 3x plus 1 is greater than equals to minus 5. So first of all we have to find the value of x. Same way we will do, like terms we will write together. So 1 and minus 5, both of these are like terms, so 1 I will shift to other side, plus 1 on shifting to other side will be changed to minus 1. So minus 5 as it is, I will write here minus 1. So 3x greater than equals to minus minus plus with the minus sign. So 5 plus 1 6 with the minus sign. With x 3 is there, so we can divide both the sides by 3. So when we multiply or divide both the sides by positive number, no need to make any change in the sign of equality. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So x is greater than equals to, here we can do cancellation. So x is greater than equals to minus 2. Greater than means positive values, like I have already told in the previous question. So on the right side we have to go. Number line I will draw same way, 0, 1, 2, here positive, and on this side negative, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. X is greater than, so we have to go on the right side, greater than, and this equality sign is also there. So on 2 I have to mark small dark dot like this, and on right side we have to go because it is greater than. So this is the representation of this point, all the points which are greater than. So positive points and all the points on this side, on right side of minus 2 are the greater points, on left side are the smaller points. In third part it's given 2 into 2x minus 3 is less than equals to 6. So we have to solve it first. This will do its multiplication because bracket is there and this term is written outside the bracket. 2 into 2x 4x minus, as it is, 2 into 3 6 less than equals to 6. So now we can write like terms together. So minus 6 and plus 6, these two are like, so minus 6 will shift to other side, 6 plus 6. So minus shift, on shifting to other side it will be changed to plus 6. So 4x is less than equals to 6 plus 6 12. So 4x is less than equals to 12. So with x 4 is getting multiplied. So with 4 we will divide both the sides because we need only x, not 4x. So 4 and 4 will get cancelled. So 4 into 1 and 4 into 3. See, if we are dividing one side by 4, the other side also we have to divide by 4. So here we have done division by a positive number, so no need to make any change here. So I got the value of x as x is less than equals to 3. X is less than equals to 3, I have to draw on a number line. So less than, I have told you, less than means negative values and we have to go towards the left side. For positive we have to move towards, we have to go towards right. For negative we have to go towards the left side. So draw number line same way, here positive values on right side, on left side negative values. X is less than, so it is positive 3. This is positive 3, sign of less than and equal to is also there. So we will draw one dark dot for this. So left side we have to go. So this is the representation of this point. Now if we see next point, minus 4 is less than x and x is less than 4. So this solution is only given to us, we do not have to solve it further. So we can draw it on a number line. Let us draw a number line first. See, 2 points we have to mark, so very carefully we have to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So x is greater than minus 4, but what is the sign here? Only greater than. So on minus 4 I will put small circle, because when equal to sign like this, it's not there, then we have to draw only small circle. Now x is less than 4, here also only the sign of less than, so on 4 also I will draw small circle. Now since replacement set is of real numbers, so I will just join these 2 points, because for real numbers all the numbers are included from -4 to +4. So representation of this point looks like this. In fifth part it's given, see in all these remaining 3 parts of first question, directly they have given us the values of x. We don't have to solve it further, we can use these values and graph it on a number line. So fifth part it says x is greater than equal to -2. So with -2 you have to see the sign. Sign is of this, equality sign is also there, this. So on -2 dark dot, and on this side 5, only less than sign is there, no equality sign, so circle you can draw, small circle. Now we can join these two, because x is less than 5 and greater than -2. These things you have to see. It cannot be like x is greater than 5, then the thing will become different. Now x is less than 5 and greater than -1. So like this you have to plot it for this dark dot and light small circle for 5. Sixth part you can see x is less than, see open mouth I have already told you, open mouth of this it is towards 8. So that means x is less than 8 and 8 is equal to or greater than x. So on 8 what we have to mark, because of these 2 signs, dark dot. First you just mark the points. Second point is -3, but only one sign. So on -3 we can draw small circle. See x is greater than -3, greater than means we have to move towards the right side of -3, and x is less than 8. See x is less than 8, and this if you want you can write it in this way for your confusions, to remove confusions. X is from which number x is greater, see the open mouth on which side of this number is with -3, that means x is greater than only greater than, and x is less than equals to 8. So this way you can write to remove any confusions. So that means the value of x is lying between -3 and 8, so you can draw like this, you can join this. After drawing these points you can join it. Third one is x is greater than -5. First we will just draw the points, we locate the points and plot it. So -5 is here, with -5 only this one sign is there, so small circle we can draw. Then other point is -1, so with -1 2 signs, less than equal to, so for that dark dot I have to draw. So x lies between, because it is greater means towards right side I have to move, and less than means towards left side. So it is between this. From this point I have to go towards right, because x is greater than this point. From this point I have to go towards left, because x is less than this. So for less than just go left, greater than go right. So that means this way you can plot it. Now let's do the second question. In second question, number lines are already given to us and we have to write the inequation. Inequation means like the way previous question they gave us questions. Inequation was already given and number lines we have drawn. So it's opposite. So it's very simple. See, for dark dot I told you, dark dots the sign will be less than equal to or greater than equal to. And see, if we are going towards the, or if the point is, it is going towards the, see, left side. Left side means that the values will be less than. So I can write for this one, x is left side this point is going, So left side means less than, equal to, also for dark dot. And what is the point? -1. See, very simple. Variable x we have to take, so that's why x I have taken x. This point, it is towards the left side. So left side means less than values will be there. So less than, equal to, because of the dark dot, and -1 is the point, so I have written. So this is the inequation for this one. Second we'll do, first we'll write the variable, that is x. Now this we'll say this point is towards which side? Right side. See, right side means the sign will be of greater than. Left side, if I am standing like this, my left side is less than, right side is greater. So same way when you are drawing or you are plotting this, same thing with you also. So right side means greater than, this dark dot equals to also. Now point is 2. So this is the inequation for this. Now 2 points you can write, the given 2 points. First one is -4, see, -4 and 3, other one is 3. Now you can write x, because 2 points are there, so you can start this way. -4 and 3 you can write the points. Now signs you have to decide, same way. The line is from -4, if I see, from -4, the line is towards right side. Right side means greater than, and dark dot means equal to also. Now from 3, if I see, the line is going, the representation, it is going towards left side. Left side means less than, with x we have to see, and circle means only less than. So this is x is greater than equal to -1 and it is less than 3. So this is the inequation for this line. Now last one will do. Same way, I will write the variable without signs. I will just write the numbers also. One number is -1, other number is 5. From -1, the line is towards which side? It is towards right side. So right side means greater than, only greater than because of this small circle. Right side, if I say point 5, from 5 the line is going towards left side. So with x only we have to see, x will be less than. Left side means it will be less than, and dark dot means equal to will also be there. So this is the inequation for this graphical representation. In third question, we have to solve this linear inequation and we have to graph it on the, or draw it on the number line also. So first we have to find the values of x. So same way like we were doing earlier, we will solve it. First we will take these two sides, because here in this expression 2 signs of inequalities are there, one here and one here. So 2 times sign of inequality is there. So we will do it part by part. So first we will take this part and we will solve it. -4 less than equals to 3x minus 1. So like terms we will write together, -4 and -1. These two are like terms. So -1 will shift to other side. -4, -1 it will be changed to +1 when we shift it to other side. This sign will remain same, less than equals to 3x. Minus plus minus and the sign which is with a greater number. So 4 minus 1 is 3, with greater number minus sign is there because 4 is greater, with 4 minus sign is there. So -3. -3 is less than equals to 3x. So we have to find the value of x. So what we can do, we can divide both the sides by 3, because here 3 is getting multiplied by x. So we can divide it so that 3 and 3 will get cancelled and we will get the value of x. No need to make any change with the sign of inequality, because only with positive number we are dividing both the sides. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled, here also 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So x is greater than equal to -1. With x side is open mouth of this sign is there, so that means x is greater. X is greater than equals to -1. Now this second part we will take and we will solve. 3x minus 1 less than 8. So we'll solve same way, we'll write like terms together. So 3x, this minus 1 we can shift to other side because minus 1 and 8, these two are like terms. So minus 1, when I shift it to this side, it will be changed to plus 1. So 3x is less than 8 plus 1, 9. X is, so we need x. Here x is getting multiplied by 3. So we can divide both the sides by plus 3, because if we divide this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled and we'll get the value of x. Don't make any change in the sign of inequality. 3 and 3 will get cancelled here. 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 3 is 9. So x is less than 3. See, we got two values of x. If I write it in one equation, so I can write it x is less than 3, x is less than 3, but it is greater than equals to minus 1. Now this we can plot on the line. I will draw a line, number line same way, 0 in the middle, on right side of 0 positive integers, on left side of 0 negative integers. So what we have to see is the first step I told you, you just have to locate the points on number line. First point is minus 1. Minus 1 with minus sign, if you see the sign is of less than equal to. So both the signs are there. So minus 1 you can just draw dark dot. Then the second point is 3. Here plus 3. Only one sign. So small circle we can draw. Equality, this sign is not there, so that is why this circle will draw. So if I see minus 1, from minus 1 we can see x is greater than, with x greater than. So greater than means line will go towards the right side, and these points we will join. And from 3 also it is x is less than means this line will go on right side, on left side. Greater than means on left side, right side it will go, and less than means on left side it will go. So the opposite, so that means we have to join these 2 points as x lies between minus 1 and 3, here small circle and here dark dot. In second part of third question, it's given x minus 3, x minus 1 is less than 3 minus x is less than equals to 5. So 2 times this sign of inequality is there, so we can solve it part by part. First this part we will solve. Solve means we are finding the values of x. So x minus 1 is less than 3 minus x. So x is a variable in this equation. So we will write the like terms together. This x and this x both are like, so we will shift this x on this side. So x minus x, if we shift to other side, it will be changed to plus x. This less than sign as it is, 3 as it is, and minus 1, when I shift it to other side, it will be changed to plus 1. X plus x, that means 1x plus 1x, 1 plus 1, 2 with x. 3 plus 1, 4. Here 2x is less than 4, so we need x. So with x 2 is getting multiplied, so we can divide both the sides by 2. With same number only you have to divide whatever the number is written with x, only then these two numbers will get cancelled and we will get the value of x. 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 2 into 1, 2 into 2 is 4. So x is less than 2. Now second part is this, we will solve this. 3 minus x is less than equals to 5. So x is negative, we will shift it to other side, it will be changed to positive, and this 5 will shift to this side. Because 3 and 5, these are two like terms, so we can write this together. 3 plus 5 on changing inside will be changed to minus 5. This sign will remain same. Minus 1 minus x, if I shift to other side, it will be changed to plus x. 3 minus 5, minus plus minus, the sign which is with a greater number. So 5 minus 3 is 2, with 5 which is a greater number, minus sign is there, so it will be minus 2, less than equals to x. So this is the second value. If I want to write it in single inequation. So x is greater than equals to, with x, see, x is greater than equals to -2 and x is less than 2. Now first step is to locate the points on number line. One point is -2 and the other point is 2. With -2, this sign is there along with the equality. So dark dot I have to draw. With 2, only this sign is there, so small circle. Now x is greater than equal to -2, so we have to go towards the right side, and from 2 if I say x is less than, from 2 that means left side for less than. So we can join these 2 points as x lies between these two. So this is the representation of this point on number line.